Hey everybody, so this is going to be your instruction on safety around this machine, which is the bandsaw. And we have to be careful around this machine because it is a machine that can do a lot of damage to you. It is possible to cut various parts of yourself off. So the first thing you're going to want to do is adjust the guard. This whole unit here is the guard. You begin by loosening this knob here just a couple turns. Bring it all the way down and then raise it up 1/4 inch over the thickness of the wood that you're cutting. So for example, if I'm cutting this wood, I'm going to bring it all the way down on top of the wood and then go up 1/4 inch. Once it's properly in place, I retighten this knob here. The stock, and we do call it stock when we're cutting it, we don't call it wood. The stock should be able to slide smoothly and not touch the guard assembly, but it should not be able to flip around on top of the machine. Once that's done, that is the only safety feature of this tool. Now let me show you how to operate it. This is the on and off button. The way that you properly start the machine is by covering it with your thumb and giving it a strong push. The machine does make a lot of noise, but it is normal, so here's that. You hear that once it changes and it levels out its vibration, it's ready to use. You turn it off by doing that. Now, if we can zoom in kind of tight here, what you can see here is this red circle. Please never have your finger cross into the red circle. In fact, I want you back by at least 2 inches. That's about here. Red means dead. Keep your fingers out here. Now, the front of the blade is the cutting part of the blade. You can see the teeth here. They're not particularly sharp when the blade is not moving, but when they're moving, they are very sharp. This line, which stretches out in front of the blade, is called the cut line. Anything that crosses over this cut line and goes into the blade will be cut. So never cross any part of your body over the cut line. As an example. I don't want that to be your finger. All right, so when you're using this tool, it's all about a combination of push and twist. When you push, you get a straight line. When you twist, you get a curved line. And if you do a combination of pushing and twisting, you get a curved line. For many of you who are trying to make those curving cuts, whether it's a CO2 car or a board, a clipboard, or any of those things, you're going to want to have that combination of push and twist. It's fine to take a piece of scrap wood and practice first. In fact, I encourage it. The last thing to be mindful of is please don't ever walk away from a moving tool. The tool is under your responsibility until you turn it off. Last but not least, if you make a mess on the tool surface, please grab a broom in here and sweep it off. There it is, drill press.